OnePlus Nord N20 5G. Best camera phone $300. The 64MP main sensor does the heavy lifting. Fresh off the heels of the OnePlus 10 Pro, OnePlus has another phone targeting bargain hunters. The OnePlus Nord N20 is a $282 budget-friendly handset that has some features you usually see limited to more premium devices, such as an AMOLED display and 33W fast charging. And after debuting as a T-Mobile exclusive, the OnePlus Nord N20 is now available unlocked for those who want to use the phone with a carrier of their own choosing. A beautiful housing wraps around all of that. Even though its body is plastic, the Nord N20 looks like it should cost a whole lot more. The gold accents around the two big camera lenses, the deep blue hue of the back, and the flat sides all come together to make for something that immediately catches your eye. In this OnePlus Nord N20 review, I'll walk you through why I think this is the best phone for those on a tight budget, despite some limitations typical of cheap phones. OnePlus Nord N20 5G review, price and availability. The OnePlus Nord N10 in 2020 clocked in at $299, while the OnePlus Nord N200 in 2021 came in at $239. The OnePlus Nord N20 sits right between them at $282. It comes with 128 GB of storage, expandable up to 512 GB, and 6 GB of RAM. This is a lot of phone for less than $300. OnePlus Nord N20 5G review, design. I love the OnePlus Nord N20's design. The clean and, dare I say, professional aesthetic appeals to my sensibilities, especially the deep blue colorway. The two large camera lenses, surrounded in light gold accents, draw your attention right out of the gate. The smooth plastic back has a sparkly effect to it that makes the phone almost glitter in the sun. OnePlus Nord N20 5G review, display. Measuring 6.43 inches, the OnePlus Nord N20's AMOLED display certainly impressed me, even if it is limited to a 60 Hz refresh rate. With an FHD Plus resolution, content of all kinds looks great. Videos like Blade Runner 2049 and the Thor, Love and Thunder teaser trailer are vivid and vibrant, even in the Nord N20's gentle color calibration. OnePlus Nord N20 5G review, cameras. With the OnePlus Nord N20, you get a triple rear camera setup. The 64MP main sensor does the heavy lifting, but its 2MP monochrome and 2MP macro companions are dubious at best. Around front, there's a 16MP selfie shooter. OnePlus Nord N20 5G review, performance. A Snapdragon 695 serves as the Nord N20's brains. We hadn't gotten a phone with the Snapdragon 695 in for testing before this one, so I definitely wanted to see what this chip can do. This is an octa-core system-on-chip with a max frequency of 2.2 GHz and equipped with a X51 5G modem, which supports sub-6 GHz and mmWave. You don't get Wi-Fi 6 on this chip, so that's a connectivity standard still reserved for the more expensive phones. OnePlus Nord N20 5G review, battery life and charging. With a 4,500 mAh power pack, the OnePlus Nord N20 stands to last a long while on a charge. OnePlus flagship, the OnePlus 10 Pro, is one of the longest-lasting Android flagships in our best phone battery life list, so I went into this Nord N20 review with high expectations. And based on our testing, I wasn't disappointed. OnePlus Nord N20 5G review, software. Other than the cameras, the Nord N20's other major failing is the software. The phone comes equipped with Android 11 with Oxygen OS 11 on top. Android 11 is a great platform, and Oxygen OS 11 was pretty stable in my experience, but the problem here is one of timing. OnePlus Nord N20 5G, specs. Price, $282. Android version, 11, Oxygen OS 11. Display, 6.43-inch AMOLED, 2400 by 1080. Refresh rate, 60 Hz. CPU, Snapdragon 695. RAM, 6 GB. Storage/expandable, 128 GB/yes. Rear cameras, 64MP, f/1.8, main, 2MP, f/2.4, monochrome, 2MP, f/2.4, macro. Front camera, 16MP, f/2.4. Video, up to 1080p 30 frames per second. Battery, 4,500 mAh. Battery life, HRS, mins 1120. Charging, 33W, charger included. Size, 6.3 by 2.9 by 0.3 inches. Weight, 6.1 ounces.